Hey everyone, I'm Howard Pinsky, an Adobe community professional and a Photoshop instructor at iceflowstudios.com. So far in this short series, we've edited a photo, used Photoshop's magical content-aware technology to heal and remove unwanted areas of the photo, and we took advantage of some non-destructive editing techniques to give it the look that you see here. In this video, we're going to finish off the edit by placing the logo on top of the image. We're going to add some text for personalization, and we're going to save it as a JPEG so you can share it with the world. If you don't have a logo at your disposal, you can use the one that's provided for you in this course. Let's begin. Adding an external image or document can be done through a variety of ways, but one of the easiest and quickest ways is to use the Place feature found under the File menu. Up comes a file browser for you to find your logo. Once you have your logo selected, go ahead and hit Place. Photoshop will load in that image into your current document and give you the opportunity to resize it if needed. That's indicated by the bounding box that's surrounding the image. Holding down your Shift key will maintain the current aspect ratio while you're resizing. And when you have it the size that you want, the Return or Enter key on your keyboard will complete the placement. You may notice if you take a look in your Layers panel that this image was placed as a Smart Object. This means that even though the size of the image was decreased when it was placed, you can always enlarge it back to its original size without losing any quality. So now that the logo's in place, let's go ahead and add some text to give this design some personalization. Over in our Tools bar, the horizontal type tool is what we're going to use to add text to our image. And once it's been selected, up on your Options bar is where you're going to further define your text, from the font, to the size, the justification, and even the color. The nice thing is, even after the text has been typed out, you can still go back and make changes. You'll see that in a moment. Once you're ready to start typing, a simple click on your document will initiate the Type tool. From here, type away. I'm going to type the company name on the first line, Lighthouse Summit, and then the website on the second. That looks nice, but like I mentioned, even after the text has been typed out, it can still be modified. Let me select the company name, and then on the Options bar, I can increase the size of the font, and then change the color to give it a little bit of life. Perfect. And once you're happy with the type, pressing the check mark will accept the changes. Now, using your Move tool, shortcut key V, you can place this type layer anywhere you like. Now, in the first video, we covered saving your document as a Photoshop file, or PSD. For documents that have multiple layers in them, like this one here, saving as a PSD is very important, as it preserves the layers for future editing. Because this document was saved as a PSD at some point in the past, Command S on the Mac or Control S on Windows will execute the save command, which will update the saved file. However, if you're wanting to save the document as an image to share with your friends, you may want to save the copy as a JPEG. Save for Web under the File menu will allow you to save a flattened copy of your document as a GIF, JPEG, or PNG. You can also set a compression quality if the size is important. You'll notice as I select the different quality settings, the file size at the bottom left updates to show you how large the file will be. And that's that. Over the last few videos, we've cropped and straightened an image, explored the wonderful content-aware technology, given our image a unique look using adjustment layers and layer masks, and finally we added a logo and some text to finish it off. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. For more learning, make sure to check out the other videos within the Creative Cloud Learning site, as well as on Adobe TV. And if you have any questions, the forums are a great place to ask. Thanks for watching.